Hi, I'm Ananya. Click subscribe to watch my love journey with Abhi and watch us on #LoveBites on Sony Live.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं, बुरा मत मान।
Hey, hi. तुम घर पे हो? आज जिम नहीं गए?
नहीं
कुछ खाया? Can I cook something for you?
नहीं भूख नहीं है।
क्या हुआ अभी?
कुछ नहीं, बस बात नहीं करनी।
I knew it. Can I explain it to you?
Okay, fine. Explain.
Okay, so see, what happened was कि I was in office and he just called and
ये ही क्या लगा रखा है? नाम है ना उसका, द ग्रेट रणबीर, तो बोल दो ना।
क्या मैं अपनी बात पूरी कर सकती हूँ या तुम बीच में अपनी कमेंट्री देते जाओगे?
वो यार पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ता।
Ranveer was my first relationship.
He's like that little, you know, that little rat in your house that just goes under one sofa and then you just can't find him. But you know the stink is there.
I was quite in love with him. So I was in office and Ranveer called up and he said कि वो मेरे ऑफिस के लॉबी में था and he wanted to meet up. I even told him कि यार मेरी meetings है lined up all throughout the evening, but then he said that he'd wait till I get done. So मैं क्या करती यार? So I said cool. I went down and I met him and then he just asked me out for lunch, so I went.
I will wait for you to come down, then we'll go for lunch. Then I will make sure that I set another date probably and say, okay, let's keep in touch. What are you up to, man? So obviously he's going to piss anybody off.
अभी के पास टाइम नहीं है बात करने के लिए. He just wants to get into bed. I can't discuss my things with him. Even if I want to tell him, मैं इसको अगर बताना चाहूँ कि मैं क्या फील करती हूँ, I had a bad day at work, मेरे बॉस से मेरी लड़ाई हुई है, I don't think he's interested. एक gut feeling भी होती है ना कि दूसरा बंदा तुम्हें सुनना चाहता है कि नहीं सुनना चाहता है. I feel कि उसको maybe he's tired, maybe he's had a long day, but उसको कोई interest ही नहीं है. So he cannot ever take Ranveer's place. I'm sorry, in that space he cannot be Ranveer.
तो तुम मना भी कर सकती थी, प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
अरे मैंने मना किया था, मैंने बहुत बार मना किया था यार, but he just won't listen and he just kept insisting again and
और
again.
तुम्हारा दिल पिघल गया।
मेरा कोई दिल नहीं पिघला था. I just went down अभी because I want him to know कि उसकी presence मुझे uncomfortable feel नहीं कराती है. Not anymore. And that I've moved on in life.
पता लग गया? Happy ना? So how was your lunch? वैसे भी तुम्हारे फेस पे जो ग्लो दिख रहा है, I can make out. You had a good time, no?
This is ridiculous, man. अभी it was not my fault. मेरी कोई गलती नहीं थी.
It's never your fault. It can never be your fault. तुम रणवीर के साथ, तुम्हारे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ लंच पे जाओ and it's not your fault. 3 years they've dated. इतनी सारी चीजें उन्होंने साथ में की है. अब तो बंद करो यार.
एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड है तो क्या आज के टाइम में वो फ्रेंड हो सकता है. He wants to meet and talk to you, so I meet and I talk. It was my fault. मेरी गलती थी कि मैंने तुम्हें बताया. ये अभी को नहीं पता बिल्कुल भी, okay? This just happened between Ranveer and me at the lunch table and he told me that Ananya, I really miss you and I think I made a big mistake. Do you know what that means to a girl who was dumped by a guy and she's cried about him? मैं कितने दिन और कितने महीने रोई हूँ रणवीर के लिए, मुझे ही पता है. और आज जब वो मेरे सामने बैठ के मुझे बोलता है कि I think I made a mistake, for me it was like victory. You know, मैं पूरा दिन सोच रही थी that should I tell Abhi about this or not? And then I said, you know what? Forget about it. You know, he's a sensible guy. He'll understand. अगर मुझे पता होता तुम ऐसे रिएक्ट करने वाले हो तो then I would have never told you.
Listen, Abhi is a sensible guy, but he's not a fool. You still want him to hang around in your life. What happens? That means what? If I have a fight with Ananya, she's going to go sleep with him. What is it? It's like a backup plan or something. Option B, Route 66. I don't know.
Next time I'll make sure अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो मैं तुम्हें तो बिल्कुल नहीं बताने वाली.
Wow. मतलब ये फिर से रिपीट होने के चांसेस हैं. तुम वापस उस son of a bitch के साथ डेट पे जाओगी, हाँ?
It was not a date. It was a formal meeting, okay?
Formal meeting with your ex-boyfriend. तो तुम लोग ने अपने पास्ट के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं किया? पुरानी यादें, Two people who've slept together for 3 years ना, they can't be on a formal date.
हर बार किसी को ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि वो किसके साथ कितनी बार सोया है। एंड फॉर दैट मैटर तुम भी सोनिया के साथ 5 साल के लिए थे ना?
Sonia? Yes, but she doesn't wait down in my office for me. She doesn't stalk me. Neither do I take her out for lunch. तुम्हें याद है ना मेरी फ्रेंड फारा जो घर आई थी रहने के लिए, तुम्हें उससे भी प्रॉब्लम थी और तुम एक्सपेक्ट करती हो कि तुम अपने एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड रणवीर के साथ लंच पे जाओ एंड आई शुड बी हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
Farah was not your friend and even you know that. She wanted to get into your pants.
ऐसा तुम सोचती हो, but it's not the truth. And by the way, Ranveer has gotten into your pants.
Really? How Sonia got into yours?
Yes, but Sonia and me are not in touch, okay? And we haven't been for a while. हम लोग फोन पे बात नहीं करते. वो मुझे फोन नहीं करती, मैसेज नहीं करती. We're not in touch. It's over. Why don't you think from my point of view for a while? यार तुम अपने एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ बाहर जा रही हो. How would I feel यार? मैं दूसरे बॉयफ्रेंड्स की तरह नहीं हूं. I've never been like that. But एक लिमिट होता है यार. And I really can't believe कि पहली बार जिंदगी में I'm actually feeling jealous. I don't know why I am jealous of this guy. Frankly बताऊं तो it makes me angry with my own self. You know, I look at the mirror and I'm thinking तू और वो. But it's happening यार. I hate to admit it, but it's happening. And I think Ananya's enjoying it. Frankly बताऊं तो अंदर से ना she's just like one opportunity I've got. Let me take full advantage of it.
I'm sorry. But this is an epic moment. Abhishek Verma is jealous and it's really turning me on.
It's not funny, Ananya.
And it's not funny. It's sexy. अच्छा, I'm sorry. I promise you कि आज के बाद मैं कभी भी उसे नहीं मिलूंगी, okay? I won't even stay in touch with him. Alright?
I think I need some fresh air, okay? I'll be back.
मैं रणवीर को मिस करती हूँ. Doesn't mean that I want to get back with him. I love Abhi. But मेरा past अगर मुझे आज बोले that he wants me back, I like it. It feels good.
बारिश के मौसम में ऐसे ही होता है यार. It's about the birds and the bees.
अभी ने कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी to make me feel like the most beautiful girl in the world. You know the way you look at me, the way you smile at me, the way you touch me, just drives me crazy. I feel very complete with you. It was magical.
It was love and lust and passion and food and drinks and मतलब what a date यार. और उसके ऊपर बारिश. मतलब the gods were with us tonight.
Don't miss the next episode on Thursday.